What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are back in the shop today, but we're working on something a little bit different. So, this is my buddy Joey.
Hey, how you guys doing?
And he's got a 2015 Honda Civic Se, and he's trying to modify it to make it a little bit better, you know. Painted his brake calipers, got new tail lights, got new emblems, got new headlights. He's putting underglow underneath it right now. I mean, it's a nice little daily driver. There's no power, but he's trying to make it a little bit more respectable. He's blacked out the chrome on it. Yeah, so we're gonna install some new headlights today. So he's got these Anzo LED headlights. Come here, you big bitch. There we go. Alright, so he's got these things. He was in one of the videos last time. Yeah, there it is. He was in one of the videos last time when we were changing my oil here. And let's take a look. Those are a significant upgrade from factory. So we're gonna rip those out, put these bad boys in, and hopefully we're gonna call it a day. So let's get to it. Okay, so things you're gonna need to do to this to get the headlights out, because they're mounted in a couple different areas. They're mounted here, as you can see, one of the areas, and then there's two underneath behind the front bumper. So you're gonna have to jack up your car and take the bumper off. We're gonna do that real quick because we don't have too much time in the shop left. So we're gonna rip this front bumper off and get to it. So I'll see you after that. All right, so we're gonna pull a bunch of clips and bolts off of this Honda. Yeah, I got some of them coming out. I only got one of them. They pop right up through it super easy. On a side note, me and Joey over here met in school. All right, now we're gonna jack up the car because everything else that's holding this thing on is underneath. So, jack up the car. All right, so we got to take out all the Oh yeah, we're gonna not go right now. That's okay, it's not in your bumper. So we're gonna take off all these clips now so we can release this bumper, and then there is a little
right in the wheel well.
A little tab, it's like right in here. Yep, there it is. There's that screw. No, that's nothing.
Oh.
That's nothing. There's a little screw right here that holds these clips in here to the bumper. So it's a bunch of clips that hold it on, and then those two screws, and then this bitch should come right off.
Sweet.
Oh. Okay, we're gonna get those clips out. More clips. Sweet. You think that? All right, so we took all the clips out. He's got his underglow. You don't have to worry about the back ones because they're not part of the bumper. And then I took this screw out right here, and then I'm gonna go over this side. He's working right there, and I'm gonna stick my screwdriver up there. You gotta get some new rims.
What was that?
You gotta get some new rims.
New rims.
You have so much space to work with. You got these
factory rims.
I'll let the internet let you know what's wrong with the factory rims. 1, they're factory. 2, they're ugly.
Okay, I'm working.
3, look how skinny these tires are.
Everybody says that. It's a work in progress.
Doing this one-handed is...
working on the exterior for now.
I'll let you know when we get the bumper off. Alright, so we got the front bumper off, but it is wired with underglow, so we can't really rip it off unless we take off what they literally just did. So we're gonna take the headlights out and swap them over to something better. Yeah, they get some sun damage, but you know, they're still good. But new stuff is better. Alright. Another nightmare down. Alright, there's a couple bolts, one, you know, plastic mounting bracket, and then you gotta take this brace off and relocate it to the new one. So this is like the housing for the light. So we're just gonna take this off real quick. Alright, so one headlight's out. He's gonna work on that one. It's got this brace underneath. You pretty much just transfer that over and put it back inside, and it'll sit snugly inside there. Alright, so we're gonna take this brace off. That's the other headlight. That one over there. We're gonna take this brace off, put it on that one, make sure we're not missing any of the hardware or whatever the hell's in the box. And we'll get right back to it. Yeah, her and her V6 Mustang. Good news about the headlights. Literally everything is plug and play. I don't have to do... Oh, look at that. Look at that. This one. Oh.
What's wrong?
They're not all plug and play. Oh,
yes.
God. So, let me show you what I'm looking at. Fucking. So these are your C lights right here. Everything else will plug in. You have turn signals, you have high beam, shit like that. These are the C lights. These are these things. And these will light up once you wire that in to the power system somewhere. Like you gotta, just have somebody splice it into something.
Splice it.
So those light up, but they have a different routing for them. Exactly, yeah. If you had fog lights.
I know, I don't have fog lights with this one.
Circuit board.
Yeah.
Exactly. We're just gonna have to splice it into something, but we're just gonna get them installed today. We're gonna plug everything in, make sure they work, get the new stuff inside, and then at a later date we can cut that into something. I hate electrical.
I do too.
Hey man, you like electrical? You wanna cut some wires for us?
He's walking, he's walking away.
Sweet, you're hired. Let's get the new ones in.
Go.
Alright, I gotta figure out how to sit back in.
Should be good now.
If I can get in the hole.
Yeah,
We've been down this road before.
Seems to be the problem.
Always getting it in the hole.
Red light.
That's fine, the red light's okay. God, I can't get these little holes. Make sure they plug and play too. They got a little clip right here, and a little attachment clip right here, and you just get it in the hole. That's where these North Korea. Dude, what the actual?
Do they line up?
Yeah, like, there we go. Oh my god. Okay, wait for it.
There's the click.
Okay, go turn your, click your unlock button.
Unlock button?
Yeah.
Oh, I got you.
We're being judged by the actual mechanic. Do it again. Hit the unlock button.
Unlock.
Or lock.
Lock. Lock.
Yeah, just go turn on your headlights.
Okay.
That'll work better. And then we'll make sure everything works except for the sea lights. High beams? Yeah, those definitely work.
Oh, is that good? Some LEDs, man.
Yeah, he's got LEDs, yeah. Yeah, no, it works. Go ahead, kill it. Turn it off.
Awesome.
Wait, actually, turn it back on real quick. Stock. Faded, old. Brand new. Oh, that's bright.
Where is fun?
Alright, let's put it up. Let's put it back together.
How's this one looking?
Good. You want there's 3 bolts holding it in. You want them kind of a little loose because the one that you're gonna have a problem with is gonna be all the way back here, but that should be simple. Everything kind of lines up. I mean, this is JDM, so everything is pretty much factory spec, perfect condition all the time. So 1 bolt in, 2 bolts in. We're gonna get the 3rd bolt in. He's taking that one off right now, and then we're gonna put the front bumper back on. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Let's get it.
Sweet. Yeah, I'll show you the finished product when it's done. I'll see you guys in a minute. Bye. We are making progress, I assure you.
Little by little.
Oh, I also found this in this car. There is a beehive.
What the hell?
Yeah, it's a wasp nest or something. You see that? Just chilling in his car.
Who was living in there?
The cluster was living in there at one point in time.
God. I've never known.
He didn't put the bracket on, so now we gotta fuck.
Hey, I'm new at this, okay? But yeah. Bracket side.
Wait, what?
They made it to where you don't have to wear the masks anymore. No masks.
Alright,
Everything's all
as you
like
can
this.
see, bumper's back on. We're gonna put all the little plastic rivets back inside of it, make sure everything's
I'm so jealous.
all snapped together, and we'll give you a little finishing shot of it. Alright, see you in a minute. After about an hour and a half and 6,000 clips, I'm gonna bleep that out. We're gonna pop the rest of the bits back in, put all the clips back on, and we should be good to go.
It's almost done. It's looking good.
Yay! Alright, so the headlights are in. The clips are all in. The shop is closing up. Do a final walk around. We'll have Joey turn on the lights, see what his brand new brake lights and tail lights. What, Joey, what are these? The Anzo what?
Anzo black fiber optic headlights.
Okay.
That's what they're called, pretty much.
So the Anzo headlights, see what they look like on a 2015 Honda Civic. We'll see the brake lights. We'll see our little project up front here. We'll see the headlights. All the clips in?
All the clips should be in except for these right here.
Oh yeah, the little Allen keys.
Screw those in real quick.
Where are the
That's
Allen
the last
at?
part.
Okay, sweet. Alright, so the headlights work except for one of the high beams, so it's probably a burnt out bulb from the factory. Shit happens, it breaks. They look really good. They're super clean, especially compared to the old ones. So he's probably gonna get rid of those. I don't know. So yeah, he asked me for help. Figured I would make a video out of it. You know, he keeps modifying things. I keep telling him to do other things, but he keeps doing electrical and other pain in the ass projects. Hey man, his car, he wants to do what he wants to do. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. We'll probably be modifying this, the Genesis, my buddy's car, a couple other cars that, you know, people are asking for help with. Everybody just wants to modify their car, hopefully. All right guys, I'll see you next time. Joey, say bye.
See you guys.
Take it easy guys, peace out.